Forgotten your Gmail password? Don't panic, you're not alone. Let's walk through the steps to recover or change your password, so you can get back to your emails in no time. To change the password for a Gmail account on your computer, first, open the browser where you signed in with your Google account. Then go to the search bar, type gmail.com, and hit enter. Once the web page is loaded, go to the top of the right side and click on the profile icon of your account. Then go to Manage your Google account. Here you get all information of your account. Now go to the left side of the screen and click the Security option. Then scroll down and go to the Password section. Click the right side arrow icon. In my case, it gave me this screen. But in some cases, it provides this type of screen. In this case, you will click on Forget Password. Then you get this screen. Here says, a sign-in link will be sent to your Gmail account in 6 hours. Because Google needs time to verify that it's you making this request. And if you don't see the email after 6 hours, check your spam or junk folder. In the next 6 hours, you will get this type of mail from Google. Click on it. Then click the Get Started, and you will see this screen like me. Now you can change the password of your account by typing a new password. Remember, the password must be at least 8 characters long. Then type the password again to confirm the password. Click the Change Password. Congratulations, you successfully changed your password. If you want to create a verified Gmail account on your desktop PC or laptop to make it easier to change or recover your password, you can watch this video that is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.